Hi, everyone. If you want to access the private album on your Redmi 17C or find hidden photos and videos in Gallery, this video is exactly what you need today. I'll show you step by step how to see private album in Redmi 17C and how to access hidden files inside the Gallery app quickly and easily. The private album feature is useful for keeping personal photos and videos hidden from other people. But many users don't know how to open it again after hiding files. Many Redmi users think their hidden photos are gone. But usually, they're just stored safely inside the private album.